But I would say before you take anybody's advice, including mine, listen to a bunch of different perspectives, because you might not want to do it the same way that I did. You might not take the same path that I did. You might want to listen to a bunch of different people and then take that information and then make your own decisions and go your own path to where you want to go in this industry, because there are so many different places, so many different sub niches and subgenres and paths to get there, right? So many different things we can do in voiceover and narration. So listen to everybody's advice. You never know. Even if you don't agree with what they're saying, they might have a nugget or two within their video that could help you along your path at some point. So listen to them all, take it all in, and then choose your own path. Make your own educated decisions moving forward.